Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show how to make a brush made of buildings from a photo like this. Really easy. So let's start. First let's desaturate the photo. You can hit Ctrl Shift U, so like this, and hit OK. Now let's use the levels. Hit Ctrl L to access the levels. Let's increase the contrast of the black and decrease the white. What we want here is to get rid of all the grays, and we just want here the black and white like this. Hit OK. So I'll pick the select tool and I'll select only this part here, and I will hit Ctrl Shift I to invert. I'll hit delete. We just need the black part. So let's pick our magical engine here, click on the black, and I'm using 100% threshold. I hit Ctrl Shift I to invert and delete all the white part. We can select everything again and open the brush editor. If you hit F5, let's go to the brush tip plus stamp. Click here and we can rename and make sure the preserve alpha channel is enabled. Click save. Make sure the flow is disabled and the opacity 2 and the size 2. So we don't need paint pressure for this type of brush, and any opacity or flow. If we paint here you can make easy a cityscape like this, very easy, simple. And you can make a mask here, like a clipping mask. Paint only inside this here. You can pick a brush, normal brush here, and you can paint like this. And you can make like light and shadow very quick, or you can paint a few colors, lots of options. That's it for this tutorial. Very easy, very effective. And if you don't want to make it, if you don't like to make buildings, this is a great way to extract buildings from photos, and you can use directly in your paintings. Okay, that's it, and bye.